Hey friends, Jeff off the gridiron. Amazon just knocked at my door, and I got a new package I want to share with you. A little unboxing, if you will. I've been a long time advocate of the kind of the Big Boy series. This is the Big Boy 2000. You've seen a number of reviews, I think, that I've done, and I'll provide the links up top here. But this is the Big Boy 2000 Silky saw. And I've used this one almost exclusively. In fact, I have various other folding bow saws that I won't mention that I haven't even taken out of the package yet. But in hopes of doing bigger and better bushcraft projects, I decided to invest in a new product, new toy, and that's the Katanaboy 500 from Silky. So this is the first time I've actually even had it out of the package. And look at this monster. Okay, this is just awesome. Look at this, the blade length alone. This is unbelievable. You have a look there. Katanaboy 500. I didn't want to go with the 650. I thought it might be a little too big, but for what I want something that's still pack size. And as we unfold it here, we can see that it comes with a little instruction card. We'll get to that in a minute. It comes with its own little carrying case, and has a shoulder strap, an extra blade down the back. I think that would, sorry, an extra sleeve down the back of the case. That may be for an extra blade, perhaps. And then and this is a very heavy case. It almost feels very durable, and it has a rubberized coating on the inside. It almost feels like it's waterproof. Okay, so you get the case. And then you get this big package. It comes all folded up here. And we can just open it up. Just a cardboard package. Parts are flying everywhere. And we'll need to take our knife and open up these zip ties. I don't know if the package goes over anything in any great detail. Let's have a look. Obviously much of it is written in Japanese. I believe this is the language. So other than the card information there, describing how to open and close it, also the little diagram of somebody using it over the shoulder. But there's the saw. It's got some weight to it. This is pretty substantial. And from memory, we have to unlock this screw, and that gives enough travel for the release mechanism to cam over. And you've got a long additional blade protector. Look at those teeth. Made in Japan. Silky Katanaboy 500. They are so sharp. And then the blade, as it's closing down, it locks in this position. And that's just a kind of a quick, I think it's a safety mechanism so it doesn't clam down on your fingers. But then you have to re-push this button, and it has to be out all the way. There we go. And then I have enough travel for it to come down. Unlike some of the Silky saws, we've seen a bit of a review, and there is that gap that you see inside between the blade and the handle, and sometimes that can grab or bite something inside your pack, for example. Could easily tear or puncture your pack or a bag, or any number of contents inside your bag, maybe even a water bladder. You'd have to be very careful of that. But this one closes right up tight. Now there is some play. You can see that there is some play in the blade in there, but I'm almost wondering if you can put it away with the tooth protector intact. So I'm going to slide that back on and attempt to close it up again, and doesn't appear that it wants to allow you to do that. What about if we pull it down a bit? No, the tooth protector is still has to be separated and disposed of, really. But there you go. You might have that little bit of play in there. What if we tighten it down here? You can hear that too. But what a grippy rubberized handle. You can see there's on the back side these almost little tabs or finger areas. On the front side, closer to the blade, are all these other little dimples for grip. And again, the nice little warning to remind you, get your fingers out of the way when you're closing it. There's no spring action, so it's not going to cam down on your fingers. And then how we open it, we open this release screw. And the cool thing about this is it doesn't come all the way out. So there's no chance that you can unwind this screw all the way out and lose it. On the inside, in here, there is a stop to stop that screw from coming all the way out. I'm not sure if it's just the threads that are bent over or peened over to create that stoppage, but that's how we work. Then push the button, and there it goes. There's that lock mechanism. Oops. So all the way out, and you'll see here's the notch that's going to fall back inside and then lock in to where that pin is. So this is actually ramping up, following the curve of the blade, and then locks in. At that point, you lock the screw down, and there you have it. So that blade length alone is nearly just shy of 1.5 times the length of the BigBoy 2000. I'm going to just have it stand back here and let you have a look at it. I want to back up right into my pond here, but there it is there. I'm about 5'10", and it just comes up to my chest. Good two-hand operation, and wow, it really feels like you can do some serious. I could probably reach nearly 9 or 10 feet, certainly 9 feet in the air, one-handed. It has this little grip at the back end, so your hand stays on. You can see how your fingers roll over and fit into these depressions. You can feel those little holes there. Very positive, very good grip. And this little end piece there really stops your hand from coming through. It also has a small lanyard hole. There is some waver to the blade. Okay, obviously stretched out over that length, there is some waver. The teeth are, I don't know if you can see that, very sharp. And I'm going to hazard a guess that they're probably over 1/2 inch tall, maybe 1.5 centimeters. So when we're closing it down, you release this locking screw all the way out, depress the button, and it always reminds you at that stopping point to double check that everything's out of the way, and you want to drop it all the way in, squeeze it tight, close down the locking screw, And here's the rubberized case for it. Very, very, very nice case. Just drops away in there like so. Very nice fit. And that's perfect. That's perfect for sliding down inside a pack. It's actually the same length as the, I think it's one of the Forester axes. From your armpit to your hand. Adjustable shoulder sling, so you can put it over your back. So that's a quick unboxing. Join me in part 2 when we actually put this to the test and process some wood. It's Jeff Allen off the Gridiron. Thanks for watching. If you've liked what I had to share, don't forget to like and subscribe, click the bell notification, and we'll see you next time for another reveal of another cool product to go in the kit. Take care. Enjoy your outdoors. Bye for now.